Hello guys, this is V from Cybertechnics and hi everyone. In this tutorial we will be learning about for loop and in depth of if loops. Okay, so let us take a string of inputs. Okay, and let us say if I am having a character of hello in my string in this variable of a, I need a for loop like for I in range. Range is nothing but the numbers which the iteration should be run. 0 to length of is what is the string length. Length of a. I will be printing that like everything. Okay. Print length of a. This is length of a, and I am gonna print the iteration values. These are iterations. Suppose in else condition, or we can use elif condition. Elif, sorry, let's take else. Else means that if hello in a, if hello is not in a, at that condition, I need for j in a. That is means it will be taking the each and every characters as j, and it will be taking that as an iteration. Let us look into this things. Okay, print j the values of j, the characters. Thus in a. Okay, let's take a look at these things. Okay, just let's tell hello, how are you. Okay, look, this is, there is 17 length, there is 17 words in this. It will be taking the space also as a characters. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. So 17 characters, so the length is 17, so it will be taking 17 iterations. So from 0 to the length 0 to 17 means its last value is 16. So if you are taking adding some from 0, if I suppose I'm taking 0 as a 1, means 0 to 16 is total value is 17. So 17 iterations will be taken. Suppose I'm not taking hello, I'm just printing how are you. Okay, look, it will be printing as a single character. If j in a means it will be for the first iteration it will take h, second iteration o, third iteration w, fourth iteration space a, r, e, everything. So this is for your things. I have done this. Look at these things. How are you? Look, so these are the characters it will be printing. So this is a for loop. Okay, you need to know about range of and in. Okay, range of is just a numbers of iteration that you need to take in, but in means it only needs to take the values as iterations. Okay, that's it. Because why I'm telling this much is totally important means if in our lists and all we will be using this. Look, for x in my list, if x modulo is max modulo 2 is not equal to 0, we will be using these and all. Okay, so you need to learn more, we need to learn more things and all. Look in the list, if list for, we will be using more things in for and if loops. So For that purpose only I am just telling these things. Okay. We will, after finishing these tutorials, we will be discussing about the questions and how to we need to debug these things and how we need to solve these things. Okay. Okay. A for loop and else, we had for and else had been discussed. In our next tutorials we will be seeing about that operators, what is modulus, what is plus operator, how we are gonna join the two strings without using the join statement or something. So we will be looking into that. Okay. After that we will be moving on to the OOPS concept like a polymorphism, encapsulation, and classes built, how to make a class, how to make a function like lambda functions, normal basic functions and all. We will be looking into it. Okay.